Assembly video for our dual monitor stand. Grommet mounting option. Attach the base plate to the pole with the 3 provided screws. Then slide the oval plate directly over the grommet bolt as shown. Place the pole over the grommet hole and install the grommet handle through the underside of the desk, then tighten the handle until the mount is secure. Freestanding base option. Connect the base and pole. Attach the base to the pole using the 3 provided bolts and tighten them until secure using the hex wrench. Prepare the monitor arms. Open the monitor arms, then insert the visa plate to the end of the arms and rotate them to an upright position as shown. Then remove the visa plate. Attach the cable clips to the arms, then slide the monitor arms over the pole. The cable clip can be attached to the vertical pole beneath the monitor arms. Position the monitor arms at the desired height and tighten the bolt on the rear. Attach the visa mounts to the monitors. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt and washer for your display's mounting holes. Then attach the visa plates and tighten them until they are secure. Attach the monitors to the arms. Slide the visa plates onto the ends of the monitor arms. Hold the opposite arm when attaching the monitors to balance the mount. Place the knob onto the height adjustment peg and secure it to the peg using the provided bolt. Cable management. Route the cables through the cable management clips for a more organized desktop. Store the hex wrenches in the cable clip for use when needed. Tilt adjustment. To adjust the tilt, loosen the hex screw next to the visa plate, adjust your monitor to the desired position, then tighten the screw back down. Level adjustment. The knob allows minor height adjustments for each of the visa brackets. To level the height of the monitors, lift the monitor slightly with one hand while rotating the knob with your other hand. Rotate the knob clockwise to lower the monitor or counterclockwise to raise it.